Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best drone camera review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Mijia S119 Drone Camera. The design is sleek and compact when folded. It measures 18 by 12.5 by 7 cm and when unfolded, it expands to 36 by 34 by 7 cm. This makes it easy to carry while still powerful enough for professional use. The V168 Pro Max drone 4.5-inch screen remote controller, a 7.4-volt 2000 mAh battery charging cable and extra propellers. The brushless motors deliver smooth, powerful propulsion and longer life. Combined with optical flow hovering, the drone stays stable in the air, even in light wind conditions. What really makes this drone exciting are its intelligent features. GPS intelligent tracking. The drone can lock onto a subject and follow it automatically, perfect for sports, vlogging or cinematic shots. If you lose sight of your drone, simply tap the GPS signal icon 3 times and the map will show its last known position with distance, latitude, and longitude. The digital transmission range of up to 5 km and real-time video feed mean you can explore far and capture breathtaking views. The built-in 10A power adjustment gives you precise control over speed and movement and more. Overall, the Aliexpress V168 Pro Max is one of the most complete drones in its class, combining 8K video quality, GPS tracking, smart features and a 5 km range into one powerful package. Number 4. Aliexpress V168 Pro Max Drone Camera. The design is sleek and compact when folded. It measures 18 by 12.5 by 7 cm and when unfolded, it expands to 36 by 34 by 7 cm. This makes it easy to carry while still powerful enough for professional use. In terms of flight performance, the brushless motors deliver smooth, powerful propulsion and longer life. Combined with optical flow hovering, the drone stays stable in the air, even in light wind conditions. The 4.5-inch screen remote controller, a 7.4-volt 2000 mAh battery, charging cable and extra propellers. The digital transmission range of up to 5 km and real-time video feed mean you can explore far and capture breathtaking views. The built-in 10A power adjustment gives you precise control over speed and movement. The 8K adjustable camera is excellent for capturing crisp photos and smooth video. You can adjust mid-flight for dynamic shots. Sharing is also easy. You can share photos individually or in batches, while videos can be shared one by one directly from the app or device. This drone is perfect for content creators, travel vloggers and drone beginners who want a premium experience without the premium price. Its smart tracking, built-in screen remote and stable image transmission make it ideal for aerial photography, real estate, outdoor adventures and more. Number 3. Suds L600 Pro Max Drone Camera. The L600 Pro Max looks sleek and solid. It's a foldable quadcopter, so it's super portable, perfect for travel. When unfolded, it measures 42 by 36 by 10 cm, but when folded it becomes compact at just 16 by 8.5 by 10 cm. The build quality is surprisingly good for its price, and it weighs about 276 grams with the battery, so it's lightweight yet stable. The real star of the show is the camera. The front camera can shoot 8K photos 7680 by 4320 via app and 4K photos 4096 by 3072 on SD card. Video resolution is a respectable 2048 by 1088 and the footage looks crisp and detailed. There's also a bottom camera shooting at 720 pixel, great for landing assistance or additional angles. You can control photo and video recording through both the remote and the mobile app, giving you flexibility when shooting. The flight performance is excellent for a drone in this price range. It has a maximum altitude of 300 meters and a video transmission distance of about 1,000 meters. The 7.4-volt 4,500 mAh battery gives you up to 25 minutes of flight time, which is pretty solid. It also supports electric power adjustment for smooth speed control. Overall, the SUTS L600 Pro Max punches way above its price tag with 8K photo capability, powerful flight performance, obstacle avoidance and long-range control, all packed into a lightweight, foldable design. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia M6 Drone Camera. The Mijia M6 is its sleek and premium design. It comes in a stylish black finish and is built with quality materials to handle outdoor conditions. At its core is a powerful 1503 brushless motor, efficient, durable and quiet, ensuring stable flight and long-lasting performance. The drone uses a 3.7-volt 2000 mAh lithium battery, offering around 18 minutes of flight time and recharges in about 60 minutes. Now, let's talk about the camera, one of the most exciting parts of the M6. It comes with multiple options: 4K, 6K or even 8K resolution, paired with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens for capturing breathtaking landscapes and cinematic shots. It also features dual cameras that you can switch between freely, perfect for horizontal, vertical or overhead shooting. The built-in camera is adjustable up and down, letting you capture creative angles from the sky. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, you can connect directly to the app on your phone for real-time image transmission, photo and video capture and instant sharing. The Mijia M6 is its upgraded remote control with a built-in screen. This means you can see real-time video transmission without needing to rely solely on your phone. It also supports memory card storage and even has a real-time power display on the drone's fuselage, so you'll always know how much battery is left during flight. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia M6 drone offers a fantastic balance of performance, features and camera quality, all at an affordable price point. With intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual cameras, long-range control and options up to 8K video, it's perfect for content creators, travelers or anyone looking to capture the world from above. Number 1. XMJ L900 Pro Drone Camera. The L900 Pro has a foldable arm design, which means it's compact, lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. The body is made of high-strength, durable engineering plastic, so it's tough enough for outdoor adventures but light enough to stay agile in the air. Now, let's talk about the camera, because that's the star of the show. The L900 Pro comes with an ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera that you can adjust up to 90 degrees directly from the controller, smooth cinematic shots from different angles. It also supports 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission, so you can stream live video directly to your phone using the app, capture high-quality photos and record video without lag. Flying this drone is easier and smarter thanks to GPS-assisted flight. The drone automatically knows where it is and will even return home on its own if the battery runs low or the signal drops, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Battery life is another big win here. With a 7.4-volt 2200 mAh intelligent battery, you get up to 28 minutes of flight time, plenty for exploring, filming or just having fun. It's also powered by brushless motors, which are quieter, more powerful and more durable than traditional motors. That means smoother flights and fewer maintenance worries. Overall, the XMJ L900 Pro drone offers incredible value. You're getting a 4K adjustable camera, GPS, smart features, long battery life and powerful brushless motors, all packed into a compact, foldable design. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes, filming your adventures or just learning to fly, this drone is a solid choice that won't break the bank.